take it a whole nother direction. I ain't puffed piff in 4 months. No joints, glass or blunts. Mind clear, working on myself.
Yo, what's good everybody? This is Suhail back with Feel Good Threads, and today we've got a two-part tutorial. So the first part of the tutorial, guys, I'll be working with a pair of white cement 4s, and what we're going to do today is flip that pair of white cement 4s into a very flat, super matte finish. The second part of the tutorial, I'll show you guys how to topple that finish with a black on black design. So if you're wondering about how to do either one of those two things, this video is going to definitely be of benefit to you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm going to just go over the materials list of what you'll need exactly to make this black on black finish. And you guys don't have to take any notes. I'm going to actually leave the links for each one of these items in the description section. Now the first item we have here is a flat black. We've got a standard black here. We've got a dark gray. And these are the three paints we're going to need today, alright? They all come in a 1 ounce as well. Let's talk about the additional items we're going to need today. This guy right here is very important, and it's going to be the topic of discussion for today, and I think a lot of you guys are wondering how to get that flat finish. Well, this is what you're going to need, is Duller. We're also going to be using a high gloss finisher here. And then the last thing we're going to use today is Too Thin. And Too Thin is going to help just thin out the paints, so when you put it in your airbrush, you'll have a nice clean finish. Now the last thing I keep forgetting about, and it's such an important piece, it's really an investment for me, is this little guy. It's called a strainer. It's a reusable strainer. Again guys, I'll leave a link below. I'll leave direct links for everything here. So if you're missing something or you want to pick one thing up, you can just click on the links. They'll be in the description section. Don't worry about writing anything down. Just enjoy the tutorial right now. And then if you want to order something, you know exactly where to get it at, alright?
Flowing on this mother with no destination. I got wet just like my flow is salivation. If you asked, I'd say that on this planet salvation, but I don't brag or boast about universal operations. Chosen risen, spitting, digging deep into our ceilings to reveal unveiling in the love that has been failing. If I am an option, it makes me important the casualty, so how you don't even notice the burden you hold is averting your focus. I hit from the back and the murder she wrote it. I'm chilling the cut where we used to be posted. I'm hoping and praying that nothing is over. I've never been better than medicine, relishing, listening, glistening, melanin product can glow to the max. Production I'm pointing, I only speak facts. Babies ain't here but the picture I'm painting. I singing a hoe and that bitch gon' be fainting. Spit it so vivid, the flow is an easel. Make him go pop if that nigga a weasel. She got my poster, I feel like O'Neal, and then I reward her as soon as she kneel.
This is the code that really matters because this is what we will see. So again, adding just 5 to 8% of this Duller. Sometimes I'll go a little bit on the heavier end. And you guys can see I dropped about 4 heavy drops in there. And now again, I will mix the paint. Here's a look at what that black on dark gray looks like here. And you can see it's really just a really dark gray. Borderline gray, borderline black. So it's just a different shade of black. And we'll go ahead again and just give it a very soft coat. I don't go too hard on this because you don't want too much Duller to be on the top. It can become brittle and flake off. And just a nice fine coat should do it.
Pronounce my name, HASEEBthefew. Life is a loop. Every day is like a replay. We play for keeps in this game, no free play. Give them more soul than that dude Tony Ishii, ayy, and that Zappos. Competition baffled. Building my career, Daisy Chain was a scaffold. Soul show tickets like a goddamn raffle. People need jobs like Macintosh, Apple. Even if I pop, give them facts like Snappo. Told me get a grip, I put the mic in the grappo. Feeling like Moses, peep the power that my staff hold. Get the net income, the operating cash flow. Say I sound old school, but I ain't really that old. 26 now, trying to build me a castle. Yo, I just hope and pray my fans grow to trust me. This rap game full of weak clowns like Krusty. Vinyl crackle from that dusty. The smokes have my lungs rusty. Make me sweat feeling musty. I know that Noah built the ark, cause when it rains it pours. They told me rap is a game, but I don't play for sport. Here go.
It's really important that you guys let this dry in very, very light coats. And I'll tell you 2 reasons why. Number 1, you want to make sure that they go through and are spread evenly. If you've overshot, then you'll see that when you peel off the stencil, you'll see bleeding occur underneath the actual stencil. The second thing is you don't want to spray too hard, because what will happen is the logo and the stencil that you're spraying, the paint will attach to one another. So as you peel off the stencil, the parts that you mean to keep nice and crispy and dark black here, they will also peel off with it, and then you're gonna have to redo those portions. So 2 major reasons why you wanna spray lightly. And lastly, guys, you wanna spray at a direct angle.
It's nothing but what we all want. Baby, we're still young. We have so much to become. So do what you want. Yeah, we're tryna play love.
Yeah. My folks bugging. My auntie's asking when I'm a bag one. Introduce them to a bad one, but I didn't shop pack, son. She was a black queen, brown parents, worried about a black grandson, a granddaughter. I said don't worry cause we playing smarter. We would hit the mod so we slam on them. We was in love, no gram drama. I was thinking marriage so I planned on her. Maybe I was dumb, I ain't understand, honest. I don't know what happened when we lost steam. Maybe it was my fault, earthquake, felt my world shake, rock bottom. Made a mistake in my cloudy days, I saw rain, you felt pain. Then you heard me back, I was Beats by Dre. Never let a phony call me bro again. Thought I was Superman in Lois Lane. Hard lesson learned that we know the game. There's a chance that you never gonna hear this. There's a bigger chance that you do.
Yo, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you guys did, or if you guys learned something, please do me a favor and just hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and leave a comment below. Let us know how we did today. If you guys need any accessories at all, please visit shopfeelgood.com. You can also check my workout there, and I'll leave all of the links below for all of the stuff I used as well today. So with that said, my name is Suhail with Feel Good Threads. Let's check out this finished product. I'm out of here. Peace.
Yo, hottest. I'm gonna take it a whole nother direction. I ain't puffed piffin for months. No joints, glass or blunts. Mind clear, working on myself. Fuck swag, focus on my health. MC, working on my master's degree. I don't care if they buzz grow faster than me. That bullshit really ain't rapping to me. I just do it from my heart so passionately. Cause I'm the type of dude to kick the flow and get the guap though. Blind fade, meaning that we moving with the eyes closed. Money, women, weed, temptation is a pothole. This is how we living, got me thinking with my mind woke. Feeling fluid in my Game Boy Color game. Staying true, but the team still run the game. Practice at the rain, keep the 9 really gun and flame. 9 to 5 rap life, that's another lane. Never falling for the okie doke, filling up my Pokédex. Old man Oak telling us he know we next. Work hard, play hard, drink water, eat right. Pray nights till the daylight. Bright lights don't give me no stage fright. Working on my temper, just trying to get the rage right. Meditate, but I really don't sage like 26 now, so I'm acting my age. Get bitch slapped with talcum powder about my power. Fly higher than Millennium Falcons. Jerk off on your high solo mission. Never smoke chewy with the force I be living. Cooking in the lab, chop beats in the kitchen. Staying on my plane, freeway lane switching. Crane kicking in the inner city limits. Rocking these shows, show me the Benjamins.